Ish. You're saying Finlish.
I am saying Finlish.
So where is Yamari from? It's not Finlish land. It's Finland.
No, that's what I said.
You're saying Finlish.
Yeah, they said. Wait, no, what? You're confusing me. I said Finlish land.
Emily, it's Finnish. As in.
That's what I said.
So what do you do when you finish your homework?
I finished.
Okay, now it's the same word that you just used in that sentence.
I said Finnish.
Now I think you're just being silly.
No, I hate you. I'm adorable too.
Are you going to miss Yamari?
Yo!